Okay, you have imported your footage, you have set up a sequence. Let's move to the next step. First thing is you go from what was your assembly, you had things in the assemble mode to bring in your footage, to the edit mode, editing mode. Click on the top here, editing. You'll see the windows kind of change around. Your timeline gets bigger because that's where all the action is going to happen. This is your program window. You're going to see what comes out of the timeline. You can grab this blue line and play it. You can hit the space bar to play it. There's so many things to do, it's hard to summarize, but let's just do the basics. You have the tools over here, right? Your selection tool, your track forward, your cutting tool, the razor tool. We'll get into all these as we go, but for now let's just deal with the selection tool. You open up your folder that has your files, and let's say you select all of them, Command A, and drag them into the timeline. Then you can start editing. Close this window. You can bring this window, there's these little tabs that will change from one to the other. Generally this window in the editing mode is the source tab, which means when you double click, this is how it is before it goes into the editing timeline sequence. And you can add an in point and an out point where you want it to stop, to begin and start. That's one way to edit, to trim your clips. Another is you can just click and drag it one way or the other. It snaps to, let's say, the blue line, wherever the blue line's at. If you park that where you want it to edit, you can just snap to there. Let's see. These are the video tracks. These are the audio tracks. You can have multiples of many. It's somewhat similar to After Effects in certain ways. So you put the tracks together, put some music in there, keep saving all the time. And then when you have it assembled, you put it together in some way you want to with a piece of music, you go to export. Let's do another video for that.